Previously on Hardline.
Together we can forge the new future of law enforcement.
Our old captain's been busy.
Car dealership.
Korean mafia front. We've got a guy on the inside. His name's Boomer.
It's Kang's dealership. Kang fills the cars with drugs. Dawes' guys run the trains.
Let's go put this Mr. Kang out of business.
That's $9.9 million worth of coke.
I'm getting this out of here.
Come on! Fuck it!
So you're gonna update us or what?
You really want me to explain to you the super technical stuff I'm doing right now?
No.
Well, here's something. What is it? Party invite sent to Kang. Interesting address he lists, too. Half these guys I work for.
Says the party's on Mount Olympus. That's some kind of code?
Actually, that's a real neighborhood, believe it or not. And the party's tonight.
Kai and I'll check it out. You up for that?
I'm not much of a party girl, but... All right.
Sexy.
Okay, come on. It's gonna go off soon.
Where'd you get that thing anyway?
Boomer. He's worked for more than a couple of bank robbers.
Okay, Bugs Planet.
Let's go.
Uh-oh.
Shit.
Come on.
This thing started at midnight.
Schedule change.
Right this way, gentlemen. Make yourselves comfortable.
I thought Kang was supposed to be here.
Kang's not coming.
Oh, his wife's sick.
Sick. She's 25 years old. And what does she have, a runny nose?
Kang's out of the picture, officially. Which is why we're meeting now rather than later.
I thought you were supposed to be his protection.
We offer several tiers of security.
Who killed him? You. Man, I'm out of here.
Gentlemen, sit down. Shut up. Allow the man to talk.
You know, guys, this doesn't have to be this difficult. In Miami, we brokered truces between assholes like you. Any arguments we settled like this, talking. Now, we don't want your turf or your product. What we have is a network of cops, military contractors, and border patrol. By paying us, you get access to that network.
It worked in Miami, so I'd like nothing better than to see our own local luminaries start thinking like actual businessmen.
Well done.
Now, gentlemen, a limo crammed with some of Hollywood's finest part-time cosmetology students is en route. Please, make your way to the Boom Boom Room. And enjoy. You, want to talk about it?
The guy that whacked Kang might be an old friend of mine. I need to just talk to some people. Should be back later tonight.
Well, your money will be stored in my Sanctum Sanctorum. Rest assured.
That son of a bitch is here.
Kai,
If we sneak out this window, we can still catch him.
forget Stoddard. I've got an idea.
What?
Give me your phone.
Okay. Why?
Anything important on here?
Just that candy game?
If we get this phone into one of those briefcases, we can track it.
So you want to steal Dawes' dirty money before it gets laundered?
Yeah.
Sounds fun, actually, but you're on your own.
Wait, what?
I need to have a word with Sergeant Stoddard before he gets away, and we can't both be sneaking through this house. Come on. Give me a boost.
Can't believe I actually trusted you.
This is personal.
Personal? You helped Dawes and Stoddard put me away for 3 years. That's not personal?
Sorry to disappoint.
My mother died when I was in prison, Kai.
Jesus' name.
You know what? Save it. I don't give a shit what you do.
Obviously, you have no idea who I am, because if you did, you would not be stealing from me.
Maybe I don't scare that easy.
Well, you look Mexican, so I'll assume you're a burglar, but I'm also assuming you're not the average burglar. There are a lot of vulnerable properties in this neighborhood, but you picked mine to rob. Why is that? I wonder.
Hey, seemed like a challenge.
Well, let's up the challenge. I just pushed a button, which means about a dozen coked-up psychopaths with automatic weapons are heading your way. You scared yet?
Doesn't seem like it. Not from where I'm standing.
Oh, no, this is very clever of you. A two-man job, huh?
So to speak.
Hats off to you. Really. But you twits better take all the cash you can carry and spend it fast. Buy gold. Buy a goddamn sailboat, because I'm not gonna stop coming for you. Ever.
Shut up! Hey there. Just thought I'd check in.
Hey, turn off the alarm.
That's not gonna work. You got bad guys coming at you.
Oh, shit.
Right here! What the fuck?
Well, at least we won't have to fill out a bunch of paperwork later. We get started?
Then try. I figured you'd probably use a hand back here.
Thanks, by the way.
We should go.
What the hell did Dawes and Stoddard do to you?
Let's just say I wasn't always the kind of person who would fuck over her partner.
Fair enough.
And just so you know, this isn't about killing Dawes. Not for me.
Okay. What's it about then? For you?
I want him ruined. Because that's what he does. He ruins people.
And Stoddard?
Stoddard, I'm fine with just killing.
Pretty sure you're gonna get another shot at him.
After tonight, Stoddard's gonna be coming after us.
Hey, did you guys see the news?
What, the Rourke thing?
Apparently, you two caused $3 million worth of damage.
The guy literally lives in a glass house.
Oh, yeah! You're gonna love this. Bam!
What is that?
Where Dawes is keeping his dirty money.
Your little tracker scheme worked?
Now, right here, this is where Kai's phone wound up. Dawes' corporate HQ. I mean, the place is a beast. We're talking private elevators, blast-resistant windows.
Wait, I know that building. That's right on Foster Key off mainland Miami.
And this is a work order for a vault that was installed in the penthouse suite 6 months ago.
Okay, tell me about it.
Foot-thick steel door with a combination lock and magnetic seal.
So we blow it open.
The amount of explosives needed would level the building.
So we don't blow it open. Or do we?
Now, I used to hang with some folks that have an auto dialer. It's like a safe-cracking robot. They called it the Brute. I mean, the thing is fast, man. It could power open any combination safe.
Call him. Tell him we need to borrow it.
Already did. We just need to pick it up.
Is mine driving?
Sure, why not?
Awesome! you been doing these days?
Same old.
Local or offshore?
Mostly offshore.
Where am I going?
Follow the road, I'll tell you when to turn. So are you, like, enjoying the work?
I'm enjoying the money.
So what do you do, Nick?
I work with Boomer.
Oh, boys up to no good. So exciting.
So how's your daddy? She still carry that fucking gun?
Marcus, the world is not your own personal diorama. He's over it.
All right, I gotta know what happened with you two.
Well, we kinda...
Marcus and I were very much in love. My father didn't approve.
Oh, I can give you one guess why.
So when Marcus left the community, he tried to...
Leave with you.
Kidnap me, my dad said, which was so fucking romantic. But which kind of upset my dad, I guess.
Show him your bracelet.
Oh! GPS. So he always knows where I am.
Well, well. Marcus Boone, the prodigal, etc.
Hey, Mr. Albert. Thanks for seeing us.
It's the least I can do. And you must be Nick?
Boomer says you got a machine that can brute force any combination lock.
Certainly can, Nick. You just gotta give it a little time. Nick Mendoza, right? Oh, hey, look at that. Shit just got real.
My dad kind of monitors my calls.
Yeah, a lot of people want to talk to you, Mendoza. Including a fella from L.A. named Stoddard. Say he'd pay 250 grand for you alive. He's coming here right now.
Sorry, Marcus.
Boys, what do you say we escort Mr. Mendoza and Marcus down to the presidential suite?
Wait, you said just Nick.
But Marcus isn't welcome here. He never was.
Oh, baby, I'm so sorry.
Peel her off this asshole before I puke. Oh, and Marcus, just so we're clear, race is not a factor here. My dislike of you is strictly personal.
I have relatively good news.
Really? Where'd you get that?
Dune gave it to me when she hugged me.
Dune, who just set us up?
Dune? Who set you up? She's actually really good people.
Oh, sure. All right, stay behind me. Here. All right. We need to get our gear back.
What? Are you nuts? Let's just get out of here.
Look, if Stoddard gets his hands on it, he'll trace it right back to Kai and Tyson. Okay, we can't risk that.
Shit. All right, so how you want to take this, man? There's a lot of Albert's dudes down there.
Looks like there's a place to climb in on the left.
Okay, or we could crawl under that fence over there on the right.
Yeah, or we could take them head on.
What?
If you're up for that.
Man, you lead. I'll be right behind you.
That's what I thought.
He's around here!
Hey, you want to talk about what's going on here? It's like these guys are geared up for their own private apocalypse.
Yeah, Tony's kinda flipped his lid.
You think?
What do you guys even need a safe cracking robot for anyway?
To steal something?
Well, at least it's being used for a noble cause. Head for the airstrip, that's where your brood is.
Okay, and you're sure it's there?
Yes, I'm sure. That's where Tony keeps all his crap. Just drive.
Okay, look, there's one thing I want to know.
Oh, just one?
Hey,
There's
man.
a lot of things I'd like to know.
Could you just hang on? Dooney, why'd you let your dad lure us into a trap?
I assumed Nick was just one of your dirtbag friends, but then I found out he's a cop, which is kind of worse, but whatever.
Whatever. whatever. You know you're coming with us now, right?
Oh, really?
Jesus!
Fuck! Boomer!
What if instead I turn you both over to this Stoddard person and collect my 250 grand?
What the hell, woman?
I'm totally messing with you guys.
Forgot you were crazy.
This gun's not even loaded.
Is everyone okay?
Dude's been hit!
Got shot in the arm. Yeah, my leg's broken.
Oh, we gotta get you some help.
Marcus! Those guys that ambushed us, they're coming. You remember this thing?
Right.
Nick, hold him off while I do some triage. There's guns in the trunk.
You got it. Now for the record, this place has changed. A lot.
Son of a bitch! That's all of them.
Hey, you okay?
I need you to do me a favor. Tony's a hunter, so I could use a diversion. Decided I kinda hate the desert.
So you're not coming with us?
We can get you to a hospital.
Nah, you seem kinda busy. Airfield's that way, you better hurry.
Hey, Dooney.
Oh yeah. Good luck. See you around? And tell Tony I think he's away.
Boomer, I got the brute. After we join up with Kai and Tyson, we are going straight to Miami.
Yeah, told you I could fix it.
Radios, uniforms, C4, scuba gear, harnesses, cable trolley, and one safe-cracking robot.
So we're good, right?
We are good.
Let's get to Miami.
Wait. We gotta give this place one last sweep. We don't want to leave anything incriminating behind.
Okay. Let me know when you're ready to go. What the fuck is that hissing?
What, you thought you could hide from me, Mendoza? I taught you everything you know.
How's it going, Nick? God damn it, shoot this prick!
Gun jam. That's some bad luck. Bye-bye. Damn it, Kai!
Yeah, sorry.
It's Dawes.
What, you want to answer? Say hello?
Straight to dead guy voicemail.
Wait, what are you doing?
Dawes is gonna probably want an update. I'm sending him one. Come on, Tyson, where the hell are you? You should have come out of there by now.
It's been over an hour.
Maybe he got lost.
There's a sign on the door that leads to the tank. How hard could it be?
Hey guys, sorry, I got lost.
Where the hell are you?
Finding the water tank was easy. Finding the drainage, not so much. More pipes than a church organ in there.
Hey, Tyson, man, stay away from the cameras.
Relax. All they're seeing is a hard-working window washer.
Get the cable ready. We're moving in. Minimal radio contact from here on out.
Got it.
Just give me a minute.
Come on, kind of on the clock here, Boomer.
Yeah, I know. One thing. Are you guys really sure about this?
A little late for that, isn't it?
Look, I'm just asking. Look, if I was gonna have 1 million gallons of water dropped
200,000.
or 200,000 gallons or whatever, I would want someone to make sure I'm safe. That's all I'm saying.
Hey, you got another way up to that penthouse? I'll take it. And blowing out that stabilizer tank was your idea.
Hey, it seemed a lot more doable when we weren't about to do it.
Tyson's back on schedule. Give me the C4.
Here.
Got a peanut butter and jelly sandwich in here too?
Well, I could write bomb across it if you want.
Come on, let's get this over with.
Get the cable to the boat.
Man, I ought to be up there with the brute.
You wanna trade jobs?
You know, actually, I think I'm good. Have fun.
Nice try.
This way! I got this! That way!
Nick, go!
Get over here! Son of a... Hey! Fucking do this!
Guys, I'm on the 19th floor, but it's a guard party up here.
All right. Then we go to 20.
Hit him from above. Nice.
So tell me, what'd you do for 4th of July when you were a kid?
You know, put fish sauce on hot dogs, watch stuff explode.
Hey, come on. Here, Boomer packed you a lunch.
Hey, you know, I actually haven't robbed a place in probably 8 days.
Hey, you sure you found the right pipe?
I'm sure. And I think you two are nuts.
Put your mask on.
You sure about this?
Hey, if we want that money, I have to push this button.
Right.
Back in LA, you told me to trust you, and I did.
Look where that got you. Say, relax, Kai. It's gonna work.
I have no idea if this is gonna work.
Then I guess it is my turn to trust you. Do it. better let Tyson in.
Here we go.
Well, it's nice to see you're both still alive. I'll say this, for a former cop, Dawes has taste. Now that is a $24,000 coffee table.
You know those magazines for rich people that no rich person actually reads?
I subscribe to all of them. Unlike you two bivalves, I have an appreciation for the finer things.
Hey, come on. Just get the brute working on the vault.
Okay. Where the hell is it?
Oh, shit.
Good question.
Douchebag.
Oh, hello.
Something tells me Dawes read a lot of comic books as a kid.
All right, here goes. Okay, there, that. That should do it. Okay, Brute, do your thing.
You're not gonna keep an eye on it?
It's not like it needs encouragement.
Guys, I got bad news.
Let me guess. Company. How many?
You remember my worst case scenario?
Yeah?
That many.
All right, they're coming. Get ready.
There's weapons in Dawes' office.
Look around.
Over here!
Shit! What the fuck? Got one! Hey, watch it! Over there! Grenade! Watch it! Get out of there! How much longer for the brute?
I don't know, maybe it'll beep when it's done. You know, like a microwave.
Oh shit, they cut the power!
Spread out! Make sure no one is here!
Hey! Look out! Fucking shoot him!
He's down!
Got it! That way! Stop him! Watch your ass!
He's around here! Stop him!
Come on, baby. Holy shit, the vault's unlocked. Time to clean this place out.
Get back!
Tyson! Oh, Jesus.
Kai?
He's alive. Black Vest saved him. Hey, stay with me, baby. I'm right here.
I'm with you.
Yeah. We gotta get him out of here. Come on.
The vault.
Get him.
He pulled the money.
Get him to the wire.
This way.
Dawes knew we were coming. You didn't get me.
I guess not. You are interestingly hard to kill.
We're not done. I'm not done!
You know what? I believe that. I do. So let's make it easy. I'm at Santa Rosada. It's not far.
I know where the fuck it is!
Then by all means, come find me, boy.
God damn it!
Boomer's gonna catch you, all right?
Boomer, Tyson's coming down. Clip on. I'll be right behind you.
Where are they?
Shit!
Find them. Check them out.
Hurry!
There they are. You! Stop right there!
Go! Go! Holy shit! Watch out! Kai! Get out! You alright?
I just fell in the Mendoza!
We got orders, Mendoza.
Nick, watch out!
Nick, where the fuck are you?
We're coming!
Boomer, did Tyson make it?
You guys better get here fast.
God damn it!
Right here! Over there!
What are you doing? Get to the phone!
Hey! Hey, watch! Hey, look out! Damn it!
Nick, we gotta get out of here!
Come on, come on! Hurry! Come on, come on, come on!
Ty, hey, you gotta keep your eyes
It's gonna be okay.
I don't know. He's pretty messed up.
I'll drive. You help out Kai.
Hey! Yo, where you going?
We're gonna go see Dawes.
How do you know where he is?
He told me. Is there any other way? I highly doubt that. Hey! Keep your hands where I can see him.
Seriously, Nick? What are you gonna do, arrest me?
That was the old Nick.
Yes. I saw what you did to Stoddard. And then you flew all the way across the country to rob me? Well, you just might be the most ruthless son of a bitch I've ever known. Still, I don't think you're cold-blooded enough to shoot an unarmed man. If you wanted to kill me, you would have done it already. So what do you really want, Nick?
Depends what you're offering.
Finally, you're asking the right question.
What's the offer?
Simple. The world. I want you to help me run my organization, then take it over when I'm gone.
Yeah, well, I think I just proved your organization has a few holes.
Who better to plug them? Huh?
Look around. You're all alone, Nick. Wonder why?
My friends had somewhere else to be.
No, you sent them away. You see, I think you finally figured out who you really are. You're just like me. More criminal than cop.
You know what? You're right.
How's your mother, Nick?
Tell me, Nick, when you pulled the trigger, did I look surprised?
There's a bookshelf near my desk. Behind it is a passageway. Open it up.
I framed you because I didn't think you were a realist. Good guys never are. But I invited you out here because I hoped that maybe I was wrong. That maybe you were salvageable. You see what I've done as corruption. Favors rendered, money procured. No. The cops I've been working with, police chiefs, commissioners I'm talking about. Oh, you'd be shocked by how fast they cooperated. And it's not because they're bad men. The problem is risk. My customers sell something millions of people want. I've reduced risk. For cop, criminal, for everybody. And everyone was willing to look the other way. Except you.
What I've built can't be taken apart. There's too much at stake. Too many lives and reputations. So congratulations, detective. It's all yours.
Oh my God.
Now what are you gonna do with it?